Brazil ngafunda ukuthi eSantos especially team produce the best players in the world kaningi abo Neymar abo Robinho abo Pele, you name them, the list is endless. So engakufunda lapho was uthando obeliboniswa kubadlali who protected a special talent, you know, and ngelimi labo ungacompromise lapho. And the biggest mistake team esiyenzayo as coaches manje la ekhaya ukufuna ucomplicate izinto, and mina ngifunda ukuthi the game is made simple by the coaches and the players, but unfortunately now of late the game is made difficult by us coaches, you know, and also the players, they find it difficult to excel because of asiba understand better. So ngilana mina mele ngikhulume nomshini ngimunderstand this ukuthi sometimes umshini uzothi make mamela coach Stuart Baxter ucabanga ukuthi umuzwile kahle kanti akamzwanga kahle, but mangila iduze mele ngikhumbule ukuthi umshini simdevelop kanjani, besikhuluma language, you know. So mhlambe makezwa leyo language yiyo le menza ukuthi understand even better. So yimi ke manje sengiya close to coach Stuart or coach Gavin or coach Bani ophethe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi coach lo mfana uku-understand better now ukuthi then mina ngibuyele kulo mfana futhi ukuthi mamela ke manje coach ufuna ukuthi wenze kanjani. So I'm playing that role because ngikhula nabo labafana. So there was no way bengizokhuluma isingisi kumshini ukuthi mshini take them on, mshini no, mshini mfana kithi ngiyakucela ntwana yami. And already that isikhuluma naye ngoba ila siphuma khona mina naye ukuthi uthando lukhona, and I believe in you ukuthi you can make things happen, not only mshini Njabulo, Blom, Siyabonga, Ngezana, baningi, you name them, abo happy Mashiane, abo Lesako. Coaching masifika kulo level mele drop it down to their level of thinking. Ungafuni ukukhuluma bombastic words ngoba you want to impress people, but are you effective in terms of ukunceda labantwana ukuthi ba excel noma baze express. So yiyo into enye ngayifunda ukuthi abo Neymar abacoachwa ngesingisi.